This video is sponsored by Very Special Games, though the opinions are my own. We have Ransom notes here. I'm so excited. I love games. This is a ridiculous word magnet game. So first, let's start out with what we have inside. We have 840 word magnets. These are word magnets, and you do have to break them up, pop them off, and then bend them. So they look like this. Once you're done, they look like that. They're the magnets, okay? So that's what you have to do with those. And they are different words like wash, wave. They're in alphabetical order. There are exclamation points. There are question marks. There are extra S's, extra Y's if you want to put that on a word. There are vowels. There are pronouns, verbs, adjectives. You name it, they have it, okay? And there are 840 of these. There are 250 prompt cards. The prompt is going to be like, what's your plan for surviving the zombie apocalypse? Tell a child why they shouldn't talk to strangers. Okay, so those are the cards, and these are the magnetic boards. So each player is going to be given a magnetic board. There are 6 of these. So the game allows for 3 to 6 players, and the age category is 15 plus. So keep that in mind. The average time for one game is anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes. Okay, how you set it up. You give each player a board. You scoop up a pile of word magnets. Don't sort them. Once this is in a pile, you scoop it up, and that goes to the player. Each player gets a pile, gets a word plate, and then one player is the judge. The judge is going to take a card. So pretend I'm the judge, and I'm going to read it. Write a song that teaches children self-esteem. So write a song that teaches children self-esteem. So you're going to take 1 to 2 minutes using your magnets and the board, and you're going to create a song and so forth. Okay, so just pretend that that is a song. Because abandoned through absence million. And then when the time is up, each player is going to read it aloud. The judge picks the winner. So the funniest or the most ridiculous note, song, phrase wins that round. So how play will continue. The next round, everybody takes their magnets off, puts them back in the pile. The next round, rotate the judge clockwise, so the next person becomes the judge. You read the card, write an acceptance speech for a Grammy Award. And you play, maybe somebody wins 5 cards, 7 cards, or you stop, once you can't stop laughing. If you want some pro tips, maybe set a 90-second timer, remove 20 or 30% of the spicier cards for family-friendly rounds, because I did look at some of these and they are kind of spicy for children. But you can store magnets in this bag. Couple of questions. My first question is, can kids play? With adult supervision, I do not know. It's all going to depend on the family. 15 and up. I've seen some pretty spicy cards in here. I have 14-year-olds. I would remove the card first. 250 cards, good for parties. Guaranteed laugh generator for 3 to 6 players. These are all high quality products. This is not cardboard. It is literally a magnet. You just have to separate them before your first game. And yes, this is travel friendly. This is not a gigantic box, and definitely would travel most places. I cannot wait to play this. This is definitely like equal parts witty, equal part ridiculous, Perfect for a get-together, a party. Hey, you know what? Even an awkward office game. It's so easy to learn, endlessly replayable, and is going to genuinely deliver laughs until you snort moments. Once you play it, you're never going to want to host a game night without it. I cannot wait to play this at all of the holiday parties.